Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Sorry, I just have to make everything right. Good. Join the class. Okay, let's do this, guys. Let's do this, guys. I think I have to change this. Hold on. I have to change. Okay. I hope everyone can see my screen. I hope everyone can see my screen. Hope everyone can see my screen. If it's too much, please let me know. Let me try and reduce this. Okay, I think it's better like that. I hope everyone can see the screen. Please, I want to know if everyone can hear me. Okay, guys. Okay. Hi, guys. How's everyone doing? Okay, that's nice. That's nice. I think it's better like this. I already got back my laptop. Uh, this is totally going to be different. It's really going to be different from when I was still trying to, get my friend's laptop to actually, get some things right. I had to go and, buy a new one today. So how's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Yeah, I appreciate you guys here. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get this right. All I want us to do in the chat room is I really want us to have you know a community whereby we all can help each other grow. If you're trading today, you can come and say I want to trade Euro USD today. You drop your idea in the chat. Everyone will actually see your idea, and I myself will see your idea. And if there is any little thing mistakes that you're actually making, I will analyze it for you again. That's the sweet part of we all trading together. Okay, That's the sweet part. If every one of us, if we are there trading together, if we are not just putting it solely on just uh the educator to do. So we can gather together, you know talk together. You send the chat to the chat room. If it's not correct, I will help you. I will help you out. I will analyze it for you. And as well, while you guys are doing that, by the time you get more familiar to different kind of pair, you will know which ones to trade. And every day I will also be dropping the chat for you. But if no one is actually, trying to, uh, how can I put it now? Put in effort to start the work, then that means we are not actually progressing. So we should actually learn to, to do things, and let's just try putting efforts into it. I know it might sound crazy, but or sounds really dramatic. I don't know which way can I put it, but I want you to practice it. Check my previous videos. Practice the things that I've actually said there, and just see how it works. It's really simple. Trading market structure is very simple, and which I'm going to actually explain to us again today. How do I trade? That's all I'm going to be doing now. I've dropped two videos already, and the only thing that we're actually going to be doing now is how you can start trading by yourself. If there is any help that I can do for you, I guess what's his name is here, Olumide. Yeah, I was helping Olumide to set up his trading view account this evening. So if you have any challenges, if you have anything that is actually bothering you, oh, this is the area that is kind of bothering me. I'm not really familiar with this and this. Just tell me. I will help you out. Okay, I will help you set up your account. You can text me on your free time. What time do you have that I can actually help you to actually do your every of your accounts. We can do a Zoom call together, and I will help you set up your account. Okay? So if you're shy to actually talk in the chat room, chat with me privately. I come here to actually, help others grow. That's the more reason why I opened the channel, because I want us to grow together. There are whole thousands of young people out there today that, we don't really have anything that we're doing, but, we that have, this trading that is actually helping us to cash out, every week, every day. Hmm? This is something you can do at your leisure time. You just pick up your phone, you know, target where to trade, where to buy, where to sell for the day. You already took a target, and you meet up with your target, and you're done for the day, and that's it. Throughout this week, I'm not going to lie to you guys. Throughout last week, I think I traded just once, and I made a loss. And after I made the loss, I realized I am really busy. On 30 is my birthday, so I am really busy. So, and once I'm busy like that, I don't trade so that I don't lose. But I was like, I want to buy my laptop, I want to do this, I want to do that. I made a trade, I made a profit, and I had to, trade again, which I'm actually going against my will. And that was how I made the loss. And after I made the loss, I realized, oh, this is my mistake. That's how trading works. And I've already moved on from it. So throughout last week, I think I only traded once. And this week, I started today, Monday. I don't trade today. Today is like, and this is one thing I want you guys to also do. Monday for me is like the day that I use to know what is actually going on in the market, what is going to go on in the market for the whole week. All right, I use it to check the news, to know which trend is the market going, so that by tomorrow I can place a trade. And we are going to start trading together. That's why I want us to actually, be having our class every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday or Thursday. I think we're going to talk about that. Okay, so guys, I've said it. I'm not going to be using more than 1 hour, and it's 9:14 now. So we go into the class straight up. Straight up, we're getting into the class. So where do we start? Where do we end last week? Where do we end last week? So how do you trade? Guys, if you have not set up your trading view, chat me privately. I am going to set it up for you. So the first thing first is to go to what? To go to forex factory. I'm not sure if this is going to show on my screen, but let me try. Forest factory. Hold on, guys. Forest factory.com. Just search Google. If it's not showing, I'm going to just hold on, guys. Forest factory. Once you go to forest factory, type forest factory, and it's going to take you here. I don't know if it's showing. Let me show my. Oh, it's showing. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, that's forest factory. This is the first thing that I do in the market. Go to forest factory, just exactly how I did it. And what's the first thing that I do? I check what is going on in the market. This is the news for the whole week. This is the news, guys. This is where you read the news. This is fundamental analysis. You get to know what is actually going to go on in the market for the whole week. If you click on more, can you see more right here? Click on more. It's going to show you for Tuesday, for Wednesday, for Thursday, for Friday. The news, the major news. And the major news there, they are the ones with the red. Can you see the one with the red sign? These two, they are not really big, but you can see. But the yellow ones, they are not really major news. But when you see the red one, those are the major news. Those are the major news. The red one, those are the major news. The red one, those are the major news. Okay? So Monday, as you can see, we only have euro. As you see this euro, ESB presidential legend speak. It's actually going to move the euro. The euro is going to move the euro. And once there is market like this, once there is a news like this, I don't usually trade because it actually, it moves the markets in a form that, it's really crazy sometimes. And if you want to really know what is happening, you come here and press here, click on this place, you try to read the news. Just check it out. Read everything, what is going to go wrong in the market. Or you go to investing.com. But I prefer this. This is one thing that you have to do. And I hope you guys also know about sentiment. Sentiment is also another way at which, you have different people's opinion about what they actually think about the market. If Olumide says the market is going to move like this, Theo can say the market is actually going to move like this. You guys might actually, have the same pattern, have the same view. And the market will actually go the same way, just like you guys have actually thought it's actually going to move. Or you guys have opposite view about the market. And one person will be right, another person will be wrong. But sentiment in a way at which, we have a whole thousands of people that is actually making up this, and this. This news is generating this news. And, when we have, people opinion and different kind of view, it actually moves the market as well. That's another thing. We also are major mover of the market. Okay, so one thing is what you read the news, get to know what is going to happen on with euro, what is going to happen with USD, what's going to happen with GBP, JPY. Then next you do what? You go to your market. And what is the plan? What is our plan? Our plan is what? I have mine on my board here. I have a board here. If you guys can hear that, I have a board here. So if you want to actually be serious with trading, you have to take it real serious. So the first plan is what? Let me bring out this. Let's go again. It's our plan. Trading plans. Trading plan. Please, I want to make sure that we don't exceed our time. Trading plan. And if you have any question, please drop it in the chat box. Number one, please try and write this down. Trading plan. Number one, clear my chart. Clear my chart. Number two, I think I should just go straight to the class so that we don't waste our time. I'm going to be saying it and you're going to be writing them down. And after this class, I will drop it in the chat. Okay? Don't let me waste our time. Okay? We're just going to drop it in the chart. So number one, clear our chart. This is our chart. So when it says clear our chart, the first thing is what? You clear your chart. You right click and you clear the chart. Remove drawing. Once all drawing is removed, what's the next thing? Once all drawing is removed, what's the next thing? Go to monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame up here. Once you go to monthly time frame, what next? Number three, look for force support and resistance. Let's look for force support and resistance. Number one, number two, number three, and number four. There is another one here, I guess. Okay, guys, that's number four. All right. So, what's the next thing? Number five. It said go to daily time frame. Adjust the support and resistance line. I have mine here. I expect you to actually have yours as well. If I can do like this, be checking my trading plan every day. You should also have your own written down. And after this class, I'm going to drop it again on the chat box. So go to daily time frame, daily, and do what? What does it say we should do? And adjust the force support and resistance. Let us adjust it. Number one, the first one is okay. They are all okay. To me, they are all okay. And I'm not supposed to use this. But let's go ahead with it. Okay? Then number six says what? Look for trend lines and determine the trend. Look for trend lines. What's the trend line? You know our trend line now. What trend is this? Uptrend. Right? Uptrend. Uptrend. Right? Uptrend. Right? Right? Uptrend. Number seven. He said what? Go to 4 time frame and also determine the trend. Now we're going to 4-hour time frame. Please write it down. 4 hours time frame and also do what? Determine the trend. This is 4 hours time frame and we're going to determine the trend. What is the trend? It's still what? Uptrend. Uptrend. Right? It's still uptrend. Just like I used to say, don't stress yourself in the market. Just make things simple for yourself. Uptrend. What next again? Number 8, adjust force support and resistance line closer to the current market price. Where is the current market price? Should I read that again? Adjust your support and resistance line closer to the current market price. Where is the market price? This is the current market price. This is where the market price is right now. right? This is where the market price is right now. Is here. So what does it say we should do? It say we should what? Adjust what? Support and resistance closer to it. Now we have this one very close to it, and I can see another one very strong here. Support and resistance. Let us use another one. Please and please. I'm going to be repeating myself every time I'm on this live. Exactly the same thing that I'm saying now. It's the same thing I'm going to be repeating all the time. Okay? Now we have this. So what next? Next thing, check for patterns. Who remember how I said we should check for patterns the last time? Go to your Google and type what? Type pattern. Pattern. Patterns. Type forest pattern. Forest pattern. And search. You see, there are a whole different bunch of patterns there. Different one. There is this one that I like. This particular one here. This is the one that I like. Okay? So you check for pattern. I want to see if it's going to load. Can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? You can take a screenshot, or you can save it on your, laptop or anything, or on your phone. Okay? So what next, guys? What next? Check for pattern. Do we have any pattern here? Do we have any pattern? These are patterns in forex. These are patterns. These are patterns. They have their names. When you see download it, you read their names. They have their names there. So go back here. Check for pattern. Do we have any pattern that is actually showing here? Do we have anything like this pattern here that is looking like this here? That's what it means. And if you check here, I don't think so. I don't really think we have any pattern showing here. If we have any pattern, don't worry, guys. I will also show you. That's where we're going to be doing the class often, all the time. That's why we'll keep doing the class all the time. Okay? So if we have any pattern any day, I'm going to show it to you guys. Okay? I don't want us to go beyond our time. So let's go. We don't have pattern. So look for entry on 1 hour. So 1 hour, we go to 1 hour time frame, and we're going to come here to look for entry. We've already determined that it is an uptrend. We've already determined that it is what? It is buying. The market is going up. So what are we going to be looking for? We're going to be looking for buy. Where to buy the market. That's all we're going to be looking for. When the market is buying, you're looking for buying. When the market is selling, you're looking for sell. Okay, guys? Okay, guys? So that's it. So on 1 hour now, how do we now look for what? For where to buy. Now, let's determine more what? More support and resistance zone. Abi, do we see more support and resistance zone? At this zone, it was doing what? If you can see, guys, it was doing what? Let's start from here. It was coming up, right? It came up, it came back to resistance to retest. What next? It came up, retest again. What next? It came up, it retested again. Support. What happened? It broke. What happened? It came down to retest this line. Can you see, guys? What is next? After that, it's supposed to come here, right? And continue selling. But what next? It still came back to support. To buy, right? So it continued buying. And what is next? What are we supposed to expect next? For it to come down again and what? And continue buying. Right? Right? If you don't understand, don't trouble yourself. Okay? If you do not understand, don't trouble yourself. So where are we supposed to enter this market now? Just like I've explained, we're supposed to do what? Come back here and buy, right? So I can use my support and resistance zone again. Right here. Let me delete this. Right? So we're expecting the market to what? To come here, touch here, and continue buying. That's what we're actually expecting the market to do. So if I want to buy now, this is how I'm going to buy. Let me use this. So this is where I'm going to buy. I'm going to put my stop loss here, and I'm going to buy the market here. Okay, guys, that's exactly how you buy. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So once you want to buy now, when you want to buy now, all you have to do is what? Go to your what? MetaTrader 4. As it is now, if you are the type that you don't want to stay in the market and be watching the market for it to come all the way down, just like I've said before, you don't have to stay in the market 24 hours. You don't have to. You can easily set your buy limit. And once the market gets there, the market touch it and continue buying. Okay? So all you have to do is go to your MT4. I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know if you guys can see this. But once you go to your MT4, okay, you go to your chart. I have a chart here that I want to actually sell. I don't know yet. But once you go to your chart like this, when you tap on it, I don't know for Android, but this is for iPhone. Once you tap on it, it's going to bring out trade. Trade. And it's going to bring out something like this. Sorry. It's going to bring out something like this. You're going to see market execution up here. When you click on market execution, it's going to bring out this. Can you see, guys? It's going to bring this out. And once you bring this out, you're going to see buy limit. Buy limit. There is buy limit there. You click on buy limit. And it's going to show you the prices. The price, stop loss, take profit. Can you see? Okay, so this is where you buy. This is where your price is. I'm saying we're going to buy here at this support. So if we're going to buy at this support, definitely what our way to enter is now what 113.722. This is DXY. If I want to trade DXY now, okay, I'm going to put my price as what 133.722. And I'm going to put my stop loss here. This is my stop loss. My stop loss is what? 113,227. And I'm going to take my take profit up here. Put my take profit up here. That's where I go out from the market. Stop loss is, once you buy and the market is still going down, stop loss will take you out of the market. If you have $10 in your account and you are risking a percent of it, and you put like, okay, at this, if I'm losing $5, then it's fine. Okay, so at this point, if you put your stop loss here, by the time you reach $5, it's going to take you out of the market so that you don't lose all the money that you have in your account. Okay, guys, it's as simple as that. Let's go to another one. Let's try another one. Let's try Euro USD. Euro USD. Or let's try Bitcoin. Let's do Bitcoin together. BTC. Please let me know if you understand me, guys. Let me know if you understand me, guys. Let's do BTC. Bitcoin. I know a whole lot of people actually trade Bitcoin. Let's do Bitcoin. Let's do Bitcoin. Please let me know if you understand me, guys. Tell me in the chat room if you understand me. If what I explained is not that hard, please tell me in the chat room. Tell me in the chat room, guys. If what I explained is not that hard, if we should continue, let me know, guys. Let me know, guys. Drop 222 if we should continue. And if you want me to explain again, say explain again. Let's go, guys. We have 30 minutes, Abi, or less to go, so that I can do two more for you. I can do two more, two different, chart for you guys. Let me know. I have the three of you guys. See, if you guys can, you know, let's make it fun that we are trading. That's what I actually want for every member of this channel. Like, I want trading to actually be fun. You send in your charts today. Someone is sending his charts. You guys are, trading. You are trading and you're sending in chart. And we are all analyzing it together. We are all talking about this certain news that is coming up, this another news that is actually coming up. You're going to see how fun it's going to be. When you're actually trading you're actually talking in forest time. Like, when I say forest time, people that actually knows, they know. Okay? So when I say you're talking in forest time, you're going to be, speaking in a whole total different language from every other people out there. And you're going to, start looking different. You're going to start, looking, even the way you speak, we are as well be different to people. Because, it's just fun trading forest. That's one thing I used to tell people. It's real fun trading forest. Okay? Yeah. Thank you, guys. So let's go. Let's do BTC. So the first thing is what? We clear the chart. Remove all drawing. We clear the chart. That's the first thing. And the next thing is what? We go to monthly. I'm not looking at, my drawings again. I'm not looking at, the plans, because I already have it on my head. Okay, guys. So I already have everything on my head. This is BTC 1 month ago. Yeah, 1 month on monthly time frame, not 1 month ago. Monthly time frame. This is BTC. So the first thing is what? The first thing that I want you guys to be doing. Just this is how I trade, guys. This is how I trade. I know they use any other thing. Maybe we talk broken. Hmm? So this is how I trade. Hold on, guys. Let me drink water. I'm not used to this. Okay. So let's go. Monthly time frame. So what are we supposed to do? Take our support and resistance line, and let's go. Four basic one there. Four strong support and resistance zone. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Let's look for one more. This is 4. Okay. So what next? What next? We go to daily. Okay. So what next? What we are doing is we're looking for, the major lines whereby, yes, once this thing has happened in the past, okay, once it has happened here, it's definitely something will definitely happen here again in front. See, I'm trying to actually, train you guys not in this Oloyinbo way, or how can I put it? When you're saying, like, the white guys, the way they will actually be teaching you and be, telling you all this kind of forest terms and grammar. I'm not interested in, teaching you guys like that. I just want us to flow with each other, talk in our own Nigerian way, so that, I can make it very easy for you. That's why sometimes I'm just really so confused that I will just, want to just make sure that I don't use some, hard term. I just want to use some simple terms that you guys will actually understand. Okay? So for in monthly now, I'll go to daily now. Now I'm tracing it all the way back. I trace it all the way back so that I can put the support and resistance line in a very suitable place that I know that, yes, it is very strong. Now this one is very strong. This one is very strong. This one is very strong. Can you see how strong it is? It came down here, and again it did resistance here. It did support here, and it did resistance here. Do you understand? That means it's very strong. Okay, so let's go again. This point, can you see, is very strong. It has acted as resistance here, and it acted as support here too. Okay, so you can put another one here, but I don't want to complicate the whole diagram. I don't want it to be too much. Okay, let me remove this one and put this one here. Okay, here. Do you see? Okay, so where is the current market price? The market price is here currently. This is where the market price is. So the line that is here, we want to make sure that yes, it is very set as well. It is on the right place. Can you see? At this point, before, see that line before. What did that line do before? That line acted as resistance before. Can you see? No, but now at this point, if you can see the market is acting as what? Support. See, number one, it jumps, it touches it, and it came up. Can you see? It touches it again, the second time, it came up. That means it's very strong. For it not to break it yet, it's very strong. Okay? Sorry, guys. It touches it again, it went up. And at this point, here acted as what? Resistance. It's supposed to, can you see this line? It's supposed to what? Come up. You know the vibe now. Once it is downtrend, it has to come down, go up to retest, and continue. But at this point has acted as what? As strong support before. I mean, yeah, resistance before. And also acted as what? Support at this point here. Right? Guys, do you understand that? Please don't complicate it. Just make it simple for yourself, the way I'm explaining it. So far it has acted as that before. And at this point, see, it's acting the same thing. Let me remove this. So what next? What next, guys? What next? At this point, we'll do what? We go to our 4 hours time frame and check for patterns. Let's check for patterns. I think I can see some few patterns here. We determine the trend. Don't forget. The trend, we already know that the trend is what? Downtrend. Downtrend. We are still in downtrend position. Okay? It's still downtrend. So Bitcoin is still falling. It's still downtrend. So what next? We check for pattern. How do we check for pattern? We're looking at this market like this. See the way the market is. See the way the market is. What was the first thing we were doing? We were falling. We were coming all the way from up, down, right? Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Yeah, we're coming all the way from down. We came here. We touches this. We came up again. We are doing what? Uptrend. After a very strong down, definitely we're going to be seeing a choppy moment that is actually going up. Again, what happened? It broke structure to the left. It's supposed to continue here, but it did what? It broke structure to the left. And what happened next? It came all the way back again. You see? Resistance. Still came back to the same point. Resistance. Okay, guys. So let me clean this and let's do what? Check for pattern. That's another thing we have to do. Check for pattern. So how do we check for pattern? We already seen this. See this line here. Let's see this. Like this and like this. You know, in the first one, we did not see any pattern. But right here, this looked like a pattern. Now, for this that I've drawn here now let's go back to our pattern. What does it look like? Does it look like anything here? Let's check this. Does it look like this? Does it look like this? I think it looks like this. I think it looks like this, guys. This one, this particular one you're seeing it, I'm touching. Can you see it? Let me go back to it. Do they look alike? I think so. I think they look alike. Can you see? And these, I think they look alike. So if it is saying that we are actually going down before, right? So we are supposed to come up and continue the downtrend. That is what this pattern is telling us. Some people use this pattern to actually make money in the market. Most people, they use this, they can use this, they can use this. But if this is actually telling us that we're still going down, so what do? We actually wait and see what the reaction is actually going to make. But at this point, we are what? We are on a downtrend, guys. We are on a downtrend. We are on a downtrend. So in this channel that you're actually looking at, so what next? We've seen our pattern and we've discovered that we're still going on a downtrend. So what are we supposed to do? Go to 1 hour time frame and look for where to sell the market. And look for what? Where to sell the market. Okay, guys. So if you want to sell this market now, now what are we supposed to do? We've seen this. We've seen that it's going down. Now let us analyze this market again on a lower time frame. Majos, if you understand Yoruba, don't let it be tire you a bit. Don't let it. Just let me put it like this. Don't let it get complicated for you. Alright? Just do not let it get complicated for you. So far you have your trading plan, just follow it. So at this point, what happened? We fall all the way. It has shown that yes, we are still going down again. So what happened? Up and what? Fall again. Came up and what? Fall again. Right? What next? It still came up again to this point. So that's the point that I actually want us to actually, take note of again. You carry another word. Start looking for support and resistance. Here has shown that it falls here again. So definitely, it has not gone all the way up back here. It's still showing that what is a downtrend. Okay? So what next? At this point, if you check this point as well, it did not come all the way back down here. Okay? So now, we came up. We are in 1 hour, guys. We are in 1 hour. So what happened? We came up here, down like this. We came up here, right? We are supposed to come all the way back down again before we what? Go up and sell, right? But now, see what happened in this zone. I want you guys to see. See what happened in this zone. After we came down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, another low, right? What are we supposed to see here? We're supposed to make it touch here, right? This zone is coming down like this, coming down like this, coming down like this. What next? When it touches here, what is it supposed to do? It's supposed to fall. But it did not fall. So what happened? It touches here. Can you see the zone? It touches here and came back up to this zone, to resistance, and came down again and acted as what? Support here. Can you see? Can you see what happened there? Instead of it to actually be going down, what happened? It changed momentum to what? To uptrend. Do you guys understand what just happened there? Now, or I should go again. Please tell me if you understand the magic that just happened there. This is where we're going to stop today on BTC. Please type 222 if you understand what I just explained now. Or I should go again. Because I really want to go again. I've been watching this market since yesterday. And I'm expecting this market to actually sell here at this point. Come back here and sell. I have set my sell limit since yesterday. And yet, it haven't come down here. And now, it's showing to me now that it is going to continue buying. You see how crazy this market is? Instead of it to be selling, it's already showing that it's going to buy. Please let me know if you understand that or you want me to go again. Let me know if you understand that or you want me to go again. Type 222 if you understand that, or you want me to go again, guys. 222. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're going to get this right. I just want you to be patient. I want you, to always be there for you, for yourself, and say, yes, I'm ready to actually get this right. I'm ready to actually understand this. I'm ready to, you know, assimilate everything and practice so that, yes, I can get it right. Thank you, guys. Still, thank you. Let's go again. Let me just explain it in a very simple way for people that do not understand it. I won't go that far. I won't go that far. Let's just delete just few of this. Few of this. Let's just delete a few of them here. Yeah. Let's go again. Let's go again, guys. We're in downtrend, right? And once the market goes down like this, yeah, it's supposed to come back and continue, right? Come back and continue, right? If even if it comes back here, so far it did not go above this. It's still what? Downtrend, right? Right, guys? Right, guys? So it still went down again. What next? Go down again and come back, right? And what next again? What are we supposed to do next? Go down and retest, Abi, right? And continue. That is what we're supposed to do. That's how the markets move, right, guys? But now see what happened. Now see what happened. Now see what happened. At this point, see what happened at this point. We are already going down. We are already showing that we are going down. Down. Yeah, right? Down. What is next? It's supposed to come back and continue down. But what happened here? What happened here, guys? What happened here? It shows that it's going up and came back again for a test. Right? So what are we supposed to expect? We are supposed to expect what? A continuation. For it to come down like this and continue. Some people would say that means the pattern is wrong. Let me tell you something. The market, you cannot control what is going to happen next to the market. But you can control the only thing you can control is how you actually react to the market. When you see opportunity, how you're going to react to it and how you're going to grab it. So for me on Bitcoin, let me tell you now, if I want to trade Bitcoin now, for me, how I'm going to trade Bitcoin now, because of the things that I've actually seen. Now, this is how I'm going to trade it. I have seen it that is actually in this circle. And the pattern has said it that yes, definitely, it is going to come down and continue trending down. But now, the market itself is already doing something else that the pattern has actually said. Okay? So what am I supposed to do now? I'm going to wait until this market actually leave this channel. If it is going up, then definitely it's going to continue going up like this. Come back for a test, right? And continue trending up. But if it is going to go down, then that means the market is going to come all the way back like this, come back for a test, and continue. Okay, guys? So I'm not going to stress myself. All I'm just going to do is what? Is look at what happens to the market when the market comes back to this last resistance. After this fall, it came back here to this last resistance, which is up here. And this is where I want to sell the market actually. This is where I want to sell the market. The market comes back here, all I still have on my chart is for me to still sell the market. But I'm not going to sell immediately. That is not how you do. Okay, so far I already have it in my mind that yes, at this point, this market is going to sell. So definitely, all I'm going to be doing is for me to be waiting for the market for it to come all the way up. Yeah, once it comes up, I'll wait for it to retest. Then I'll ride with the market. Chicken up. So one thing first you need to know is you need to know how to, how to be calm. How to, when I see opportunity, how am I going to be calm enough to actually take that opportunity? Not just for me to just see an opportunity and just rush into the market. The market can throw you out anyhow. So this is one thing that I actually, try to actually learn on how to teach my students, how for you to actually, calm down to actually take opportunity. You don't, some people would have seen it like this, just like exactly I was seeing it like this, that, oh, this market is actually changing to an uptrend. And they want to buy the market immediately. And once the market start going back to, not being their favor, then you start losing up your mind. Your mind will start, what's going on? You start having a heart attack or panic and all like that. But it is better when you just enter at the right time and not just entering just anyhow in the market. Okay? Okay, guys. So again, please, guys, please and please, once I call a class, let us all meet so that we can all be in the class together. And once you go back to your trading view and you're seeing the things that I'm actually explaining, you can as well do your own kind of serere like this. You're still learning, and it's definitely going to take you time for you to actually understand it. But if you are not communicating to the person that knows better than you, then you're just going to be stuck in one area. And that's why I opened the room chat, the group, room chat for everybody, so that once you start, trading, once you start analyzing, once you start, seeing things the way I'm saying it, okay, you will be able to, draw your chart as well and send it to the group. And when you're making any mistake, we can all come together and do the analysis together and see the mistakes that you're making. Once you see the mistake you're making, and I, explain to you one time, two times, three times, four times, five times, definitely you're going to get it right soon. Okay? So just try your best to make sure that you look at your chart, let's say 4 hours in a day. And I'm not saying you should just sit at it and be looking at it 4 hours straight up. No, you can easily be walking on the road, not walking. Maybe you're in the car and you're going to work. You pick up your phone, you check your chart, and you see the opportunities. You analyze it, and you go. In the next 1 hour, you come back again. You check it. What has happened? By the time you check it like that, different times, you will not even know when you've actually spent like 4 hours. That's what I meant. Okay. So, just, try and put in your best. And if you do not understand anything, just like I've been saying, chat me privately. I am ready to, to help you out. I am ready to, help you grow. That's the purpose why I'm here. I really want to, put this knowledge out there so that you all can actually see the benefit of, trading the forex market because it's helpful. So, I'm going to call it a night. It's like 2 minutes or 3 minutes to an hour now. So thank you guys again for today. We're going to meet on Wednesday again. On Wednesday again. On 30 is my birthday. I might not be available for the weekend. So it's going to be, all party throughout the weekend. I'm not going to be at home anyway. That's for me. My wife is actually taking me somewhere. I'm not supposed to tell you guys, but anyway. So that's it for today. And I'm going to see you guys again on Wednesday. I pray I'm not busy on Wednesday, but I'm going to see you guys on Wednesday. And that's it for today. So try to be strong and stay focused. I love you guys. If you do not understand anything, chat with me privately. I love you guys, and I'm going to end the class here. Thank you. Bye.